Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update. It's been quite a while since I actually did a video with talking. I haven't had that many wood burning commissions. I've been doing all kinds of other things like decals and signs and many other odd odd job type things. But anyway, I have added a new tool to my repertoire, and so I wanted to show you what I got. And there we go. That is my new toy. It is a Kenmore 385 sewing machine. I found it at a thrift store, believe it or not, for 10 bucks. My mother-in-law bought it for me. So I could not believe it was 10 bucks. I plugged it in the store and I said, well, if it doesn't work, oh well, you know. But it worked. I couldn't believe it. And the only thing that I had to replace was the presser foot, which is this item right here. So everything works. It's got a light, and I'm so excited about it. It took me a good, like, I don't know, maybe 5 days to figure out how to thread the thing because I was having trouble with the bobbin. But it has this compartment, you know, with different things in it. It didn't come with a manual, so I had to watch YouTube for like a good week. So my first project that I made, of course, was a hair bow. And yeah, made that. And then I did a few bandanas at first, and I was having trouble with the bobbin, like I said. So I'm going to fix that. But I just wanted to show you this sewing machine. This is so pretty, and whoever had it before really took care of it. And I cannot believe it was 10 bucks. I mean, that is awesome. I mean, $10. And then the presser foot, I bought that at Amazon in a set that ended up being only, I think, because I had a coupon, you know, I love coupons. It only ended up being $5 for 12 presser feet. And it's, you know, there's different kinds like zigzag and, you know, straight and walking, you know, things like that. So I'm learning about, you know, tools that are connected with the sewing and different scissors and why you can't use your paper scissors for your fabric and things like that. So this is another tool that I'll be adding to my channel. So bear with me and we will learn how to sew together. So sorry for this video being so short, but I just wanted to show you my new tool. And hopefully, I know with fall and Christmas coming up and stuff, there'll be tons of projects to do. I actually have some water slide decals that I'll be doing, and possibly another wood burning. And of course, with learning how to sew, I'll be doing some videos on that. So thank you for watching, and tune in for the next project.